All right, here we are, getting ready to go to, I don't even know the name of this field. I'm not sure it has a name. It's just this little dairy farm here in Michigan.
This week we flew to the Crooked Creek Dairy Farm. The owner has a private strip he allowed us to use. This gave us the opportunity to shop at the dairy farm store. Aviation, the way it was meant to be.
A new face. He's been in Chicago for a long time.
He's been on before.
I can't remember what his name was. His name was.
No, he never got a name.
What's his name?
The kid.
No, I'm not gonna call him the kid.
Not sure I have
He's kind of the kid. He's not even 30.
He's got this little thing.
He's like 28.
28.
Yeah.
The kid? The kid?
I know, he's got a big beard for a kid though, doesn't he?
Well, we call him. Well,
I tell you what.
He's building an RV8, right?
I got an idea. Let's have these guys choose this guy's.
Bingo.
Yeah, so
Let me tell you a little bit about.
He's an engineer.
Yeah, engineer building an RV8, has a beautiful girlfriend that he won't propose to because he wants to finish his airplane.
Smart man. All right, yeah, you choose his nickname. Leave it in the comments below. The winner will get a Great Michigan Bush Company patch.
Got Striker in front of us. Control traffic, Stinson, we're rolling runway 27 northeast bound. Full control. Plenty of room. Traffic 94 Bravo departing 27 Troy in the ground.
So we'll catch our takeoff roll here, right? At the 1,000-foot marker there. Bird. So what do you call that, 600 feet? I don't know how long that first 1,000 feet. Probably. Alright, we're off with Scooter, and what's his name? Going to enjoy some fresh ice cream, and I'm going to buy a steak or two.
I'm going to go 22.7, then 22.75.
No control traffic, Archer 628, Juliet overflying midfield at 3,000 feet on Troy.
Any Stinson's on frequency?
Stinson 20 Kilo, just departed Ray Community, flight from 01 now.
Alright, we're going to go 22.75 and meet you there.
Roger.
Yep. Alright. Is the Cessna?
We're behind you until about a mile.
Alright.
Frequency there, you using over there?
Wait, I got some part. No, 22.9 would be the multicom, right?
Okay.
Did you see it on the flight over?
Did we see who?
No, I'm wondering if Dave saw the strip on the flight over.
Yeah, I took over a couple times.
How's it look? Pretty easy?
Not too bad. You know, the trees are tight on the end, but once you clear them, you should be able to drop in and get out.
Alright.
North, right?
Yeah, winds were, like 3.3s are over at Troy, but pretty light.
Yeah, 5. No reason not to land north. Yeah, I've done north everywhere today. It's not much, but it's from the north. We're going over to 22.9.
Alright. We're still probably 10 miles south of you there. And dairy farm traffic. Stinson downwind, runway 36 at the dairy farm. Do you know, did he say those power lines are under the ground or are they above the ground?
Power lines are above the ground right on the other side of the road. You'll clear them on the other side of the road. I can see them.
Okay. And Dairy Farm traffic, Stinson is final runway, or turning final runway 36.
Dairy Farm traffic, Cessna, number 2 behind the Stinson, 136. Dairy Farm traffic, Napa Bravo, turning final runway 36.
All right, we're on the ground. That was kind of fun.
Dairy Farm traffic, Napa Bravo, turning final runway 36.
What'd you think?
Nice coming in.
It wasn't bad. It's pretty easy.
No.
It's got the uphill run, which really helped in the slowdown.
Yeah.
And it'll help us get out too.
Oh, weather raining.
Yeah, that's it.
Put some chalks on and feel a little better.
So, you guys the owners?
Yeah, I'm Greg.
Scott, nice to meet you.
Scott, I'm Dori.
Dory, so do you guys, I see ultralights come in and out of here sometimes.
Yeah.
Do you guys maintain it for ultralights or
We maintain it. Actually, I have a plane too, so.
what do you got?
Cherokee 180.
The Cookacreek Dairy Farm is a working family farm. They grow non-GMO crops to feed the animals that produce the dairy products. In turn, you get the world's greatest chocolate milk. The Crooked Creek Dairy Farm also has the Crooked Creek Dairy Farm store, with everything you'd expect from a farm store, including fresh beef and milk. Greg and Dory were great hosts. They made us feel very welcome.
Hey, hey.
Going to feed the goats? They have goats. This is actually, there's a lot of goats.
Milk too?
No. We got enough. Come on.
Need them all out there too. Great. Steve Gravick didn't use much runway either. I think he was about 100 feet.
Look at him over there.
Yeah.
An old goat? No.
Striker. He's like over there being the...
I know, but I'm trying to look.
The
you
calf
call it
whisperer.
The goat, but the goat's like the greatest of all time. We need something derogatory that's related to a goat.
some kind of farm animal because he's from Ohio anyway.
Yeah,
Or if you know
right.
something derogatory about Ohio State.
How about moose shit?
So you have a Cherokee 180
Right.
and you fly out of this field.
Right.
Congratulations, you're a member. There's no fees and there's no benefits.
Except you need a unique handle that's derogatory. By way of example, I accidentally taxied my plane into a sign. I'm Striker.
But I'm Scooter, I have no idea how that's derogatory.
Just listen to him. This guy right here went to Emory Riddle. It's about as derogatory as you can get. You call him
Okay.
Riddle.
Well, your handle used to be Crazy Case.
Yeah, that's true.
Crazy case it is.
Crazy it is.
Get him a hat.
It comes back. All right. After feeding the goats and buying some milk and steak, the sun was setting and we needed to depart before night set in.
Nothing like a little farmer stripping in a cornfield here. That is Michigan backcountry flying. We really appreciate you guys watching. Please, if you like it, again, I know I ask every time now, but like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment. We do need to figure out a name for the guy in the red shirt there. I'd love to see what you come up with for a nickname.